Hey, how's it going? It's Xavier. And actually, I want to provide some information as far as the difference between a GLE 53 AMG SUV and the GLE 63 AMG SUV as well. And what's the difference? Because it starts off, the difference is about $31,000. But if you find you equip them, the same here, I just want to, and I try to show you to just, equip the same. Here's the rear section now. So you can see the GLE 63. And then you have the 53. You got the little rounder exhaust tip. So I just want to point that out. You got the square, a little more aggressive looking design. You got the ridges on the GLE 63. All right, so let me start with the GLE 53. The MSRP starts at $90,000. Now this particular one has an MSRP of $102 with destination. It is nicely equipped as well. It does have upgrades, manufacturer Alpine gray. You have the upgraded 22-inch cross-spoke wheels in the black finish. And then this one does have the night package. You can see with the side mirrors and the window trim are blacked out. The GLE 53 does come with a 6-cylinder, 429 horsepower engine, 413 pounds of torque. You can get, now these options, these items, I'm going to start listing out some of the things that are standard in the GLE 63. You can get the Pinnacle package on the GLE 53. The Pinnacle package provides you the heads-up display. You do have the contour seats. Now that is standard on the GLE 63. Here, I just want to show you the inside of the car, so you can see that this one does have the natural grain interior. The other one I'm going to show you is the carbon fiber. And this one is the black Napa leather. Again, softer material here. Just want to show you, the rear room that's in it, and it's got the panoramic roof as well. That's going to be standard on the GLE 53. Okay, so inside the car, this is the GLE 53. Hey, what it's like sitting inside the car. So you can see it's got more of a plastic material. Still an upgrade compared to the regular GLE. But I'm going to show you the GLE 63 on how that looks. And then obviously you have the Sport Plus with the GLE 63. You do have the race mode on it, and I'll show you what that looks like. But yeah, I just want to quickly just pan over to the right. So you can take a look there. And again, you could equip it all and have the same options, and it'll be a $20K difference. And I'll show you, and I'll talk about, wait, what do you get for, the $20K? Well, you get a V8 engine. It produces 603 horsepower, 670 pounds of torque. It is a handcrafted engine. You do have an electronic limited slip differential. So these are like now the functions that you don't really see advertised, but what are the differences? You have the AMG Active Ride Control Standard. You have the dynamic engine mounts to be able to contain that kind of power. And obviously you're going to have increased cooling and insularities upgrades on the car. You have stiffer subframes and cross members. And you also have better suspension as far as upgrades, the bushing, the rollout centers, the control arms. And why is that? Well, you got to have a lot of power, and upgrades to be able to absorb, this kind of thing. Here, I just want to show you the seats inside with the upgraded black stitching, the Napa leather on it. So you can take a look at that. I'll show you the inside here. Okay, so let me show you the upgrades as far as the interior on the car. You got the leather center console, leather steering wheel. Even the door panels are leathered out for more luxurious trim. This one, it's got the carbon fiber trim for a sportier, upgraded feeling on the car. And here I'm going to show you the mode, and then keep going, Sport Plus, and then got the race mode. I could hear the difference. Hopefully you could hear it through the video. And then just panning over to the right, I'm gonna take a look here. You got the diamond stitching leather that provides a very solid feel, and you got the sport bucket seats. So what do you think? Is it, initially starts at $31,000, with the options that you can add to it, it becomes a $20K difference. For the power and engineering, do you feel it's worth it with what you're getting? Let me know your thoughts. Hey, which one would you rather go with? And again, I'm Xavier. Thank you for watching.